Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to install the Gmail desktop app on Windows 10. Having Gmail as a dedicated desktop application makes it much easier to access your emails quickly without opening your browser every time, giving you a streamlined experience that feels more integrated with your system. To get started, open your web browser and type mail.google.com into the address bar, then press Enter. This will take you directly to Gmail's web interface. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. This step is important because you need to be logged in for the installation process to work properly. Once you're logged into Gmail, shift your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see three vertical dots, which is the Chrome menu icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your browsing experience. This menu is your gateway to installing Gmail as a standalone app on your computer. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Cast, Save, and Share, and click on it. This section contains tools for sharing and saving content in different formats. Within this submenu, you'll find an option called Install Page as App. Click on this option to begin the installation process. This feature essentially converts the Gmail web page into a dedicated desktop application that functions independently from your browser. A dialog box will pop up asking you to name the application. In the text field provided, type Gmail. This name will appear on your taskbar and Start menu, making it easy to identify and launch. You can customize this name if you prefer something different, but Gmail keeps it simple and recognizable. After entering the name, click the Install button to finalize the setup. The installation happens instantly, and you'll notice that Gmail now opens in its own window, separate from your browser tabs. You can pin it to your taskbar for even quicker access, allowing you to launch Gmail with a single click whenever you need it. And that's it. You now have Gmail installed as a desktop app on Windows 10, giving you faster access and a cleaner, more focused email experience. Thanks for watching.